Hello?
Yeah, Pranay.
Yeah. So you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. This task is already done, I think. The
Yeah,
small.
yeah, done. But the
Yeah.
new CSS stuff is not done. Means I didn't get the material in internet. I tried to search,
Okay.
but I didn't find anything about that. How to change the attribute.
Okay.
Can you show me how you were telling? One second, let me. Hello.
Yeah.
All right.
Uh, uh, Pranay,
Yeah.
I'm showing you how to add CSS there. Means you have last card key 4 setup in your XAMPP.
Yeah.
Let me use your machine.
No, no. I understood about the child thing, but you were telling that you have to do search button and instead of the search bar change the class name.
Yeah, in that case, I'm showing you in that setup.
Okay.
Okay. Commonly, we are using same process for that. If you are using Bartik theme, then you can use there as a Bartik. Just okay. Where is the file for this?
This one
Okay, here it's.
D4.
I get those things. Okay. Now, when we are defining any means we want to add any class in a particular section.
Mm-hmm.
I told you how to replace the placeholder here.
Oh,
Okay.
replacing the placeholder. Yeah, you told me about placeholder.
Just like that, we have to do this also. Means go to the theme and in our theme, and here is the template .php. So open this. You have to do only one thing. Is just copy paste this line and make some changes for this. Like here is a placeholder, then you just write here class
Okay.
and
Oh.
you just define here your own class name like Pranay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Save this. Now we can see on our front.
Oh, sorry. Control S. All right.
Now just flush or cache.
I didn't know that we can do by that.
Yeah,
Yeah, I forgot this stuff.
I told
I
you.
thought we have to go with the CSS and by the CSS we have to change.
Okay, it's fine. Now you understand better.
Yeah, no, I now understand. Voice okay.
Pattern not support string pre-render include. What is this? It's by our code. Okay, search allows the distributed. Okay, 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 okay.
You have to write a new function.
No, no, no need.
You have to define the class.
Let me get it. Right, right thing, but I don't know what happened with it. Mm, operator not supported for the string. Let's see that. Include re-render.inc.
Probably the class is not the attribute. That's why it's there telling, complaining.
Uh, yeah, it's no class is a attribute, but okay, we just remove that attribute and check if it's working or not. Good.
No.
We do this one. Let me do one thing. Okay. Pranay, we can try this. I think it will work
Okay.
for this. The attribute and
Actually, we have to define the class name proper. Search block form.
No, there is an ID for that search block,
Mm-hmm.
so it will automatically get from there. Uh, what happened with it?
Copy pasting from your system.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make. Oh, my keyboard is not working in your system. I don't know why. Means,
One second. Let me give the.
I have control for this, but
Okay.
it's, can you write there for me? Means class name and that pointer. Yeah, front of that pointer. Remove this comma.
Okay.
Uh, okay, write in single quote your class name.
All right.
Okay, close the
Close
bracket.
the.
Bracket.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now it will work.
We are received already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's show error. We do.
Can you even see on the Google?
Now let's try this. No, it's showing fatal for this. Operator not supported to string 51. Yeah, right. It's- Okay, I'm googling for this. Means to Google for this. Okay,
Okay.
wait for some time.
But by this only we can do that, right? If you want to do that.
Means what?
By this only we can do, right?
Yeah,
Means by
if
this method only, right?
yeah, if we have any particular section for this, so
Hmm.
if you want to add the class, so by
Oh.
this only we can add there. If in our any another block we have means our custom block means
Mm-hmm.
by own created block, we can define here by that node class and block class module.
Okay.
We learned about that before. So by this we can also do this. But if you have any particular section which is already defined in our Drupal, so we have to go
Mm-hmm.
with this.
Okay.
Okay. You are available on Skype.
Yeah.
No, but you are showing offline here.
Okay, okay, one second. Oh, I installed the Skype because of that issue.
Okay. So you have WhatsApp on system
Yeah, WhatsApp online. Yeah, I can do.
on your desktop or mobile?
No, no, in my website and on my desktop too. So you can see my screen. It's open.
I'm sending. I sent you one code to you
Okay, yeah, yeah.
because I'm copying from my system and pasting your system. It's not working.
Okay. Oh, so means there is one more bracket.
Yeah, I think I will do Google for this.
Okay.
Basically, by refiltering
Mm-hmm.
that code, but that was not working.
Yeah, now it might work. Yeah, it's working.
It's showing your name there.
No, means let me flush all the cache and then after doing.
You saved this?
Yeah, I saved this.
Okay, okay.
I don't know why it's always going slow. Because of the means local host is slow. That's why.
No, that is not the issue. But in localhost, when we are using internet with localhost,
Oh,
that,
okay,
that
okay.
will create issue for this.
Yeah, class, pronoun, form control, form text.
Yeah. So this is your class.
It's working now.
Yeah, it's okay. So by this, you can add class there.
Okay,
And now you want to add CSS for this means
okay, I got it.
you got that
I
CSS
can do
issue.
it over here also. Right?
Yeah.
Then I copy from there.
Now you can write CSS for this block with the
Mm-hmm.
class name pranay. Okay. If you want to add class means CSS there, so just go to the CSS and you can write here in style. Okay. But make sure,
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
but make sure your CSS is defined in .info file.
Okay. Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. So first we have to check. We already have there means that CSS here. What happened? So, okay.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Mm,
Here is our CSS.
styles and responses.
Yeah, style and response. We are using style for our custom CSS and responsive for
Yeah.
mobile responsive.
Uh-huh.
If we define here, after that it will take automatically that CSS from there. And if we define here our CSS already and it's not taking, means it's not uh,
Please. CSS.
showing your changes. So just do one thing. There is a one another option. If you have CSS in this your the CSS folder and it is not appear there, then we just one thing, go to the our child theme, go to the template, and then go to the system, and here's the html.tpl. You can
Mm-hmm.
define here your CSS like we define in our HTML pages.
Yeah.
Uh, uh, like here the script, means as an example, here is the
Mm-hmm.
script. If our script is not working from there, means from .info file, so we can also define here this define here by this, uh, give give him the source location,
Okay.
and by this we can use that CSS or JS file. If
And uh,
okay,
Rahul, I want to ask if we want to means search anything from means from internet. So which is the best website for the solution of the Drupal?
for Drupal solution, means uh, mm, right, there is a Drupal org for that, because that is the best website for Drupal. Means
Okay.
on Drupal website, and there is so many questions from user developer. We can find the solution. There is a one also website is Stack Overflow.
Okay. Stack Overflow.
That this is
There is
the,
no specific any website like
no, you
means
just
.NET, yeah, the .NET stuff, and there is no
no.
specific.
If we are googling for Drupal, then
Mm-hmm.
we automatically get that Drupal org link. Means uh, if I write in Google add
Okay.
class in search block, so in search block in Drupal, then you can see here
Mm-hmm.
with the Drupal.org links here.
Okay.
Drupal.org, Drupal.org. If you are asking for Drupal, then it's automatically give this Drupal.org, and this is very helpful for this. We can get here from
Yeah, that's correct.
perfect answer, but we have to R&D about that. Means we have to
Yeah.
check which thing is right and which are not. Okay, uh, and
No
uh,
problem.
and for the PHP, Stack Overflow is the best. If you
Yes, Stack Overflow in the
yeah,
PHP is the best.
if you ask means write any keyword for PHP, means
Mm-hmm.
like what? You have any question in PHP?
No, 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 not in PHP.
No, no.
All right.
As an example to ask Google.
In PHP, yeah, I had a question means what you call.
Ask. Okay. We just
Okay.
uh, write for a Jax in PHP
Oh yeah, Ajax.
and coordinator we ask.
So you also do code igniter too?
Yeah. And below link you can see here stack flow, and there is another link for this. But if we are going here to the stack flow, we can get the right thing because people ask a question and
Uh-huh.
another developer give answer for that. They
Mm-hmm.
paste here all code of all
Mm-hmm.
this code and ask ask people
Yeah,
to
because in our
solution.
data warehousing, it's not like the same.
Yeah,
Means if we want to search anything, so we have to go through the
yeah. So we
what
can
you
get
call.
here from here all code for if we
Uh-huh.
have any
That's correct.
requirement. Like his question is, let me check. Ajax jQuery Ajax post and coding method. So he
Hmm?
write here his code document.ready send.click OK. After clicking on send, it will work for Ajax. And here is the view section for it chat.php. So he last my controller. Okay, here is the controller also. So the question is I have searched a lot of tutorial with post method and so answered question here too but my post still doesn't work. Okay, I thought I should post it here if you guys see something. I don't. Okay, so here is the solution right here for the solution. I think he's not posting that value properly. That's why it's not working. And in the answer, the developer gives solution, whole solution for that.
Okay. Yeah, that's correct.
So this website is good for means, the
Yeah,
PHP.
that's correct. Mm-hmm.
We can get means
Because in our
jQuery JS
yeah,
solution also from here.
check outflow, right?
Yeah, Stack Overflow.
In our data warehouse, we have the what you call
Okay,
new data dbi.org. This one is the dwbi.org.
okay.
Yeah, means we have the specific website. We don't have the what you call.
No, we actually we don't prefer any particular website, but when we Google for that, we get
Yeah, that's correct. Means if
that
we don't
website.
get it in that website, we can
Yeah.
go through another website. Yeah.
Uh, okay, Nazar. So
So what is the task for today?
the task is your CSS is still not appearing there. So do that thing. Okay. Any
Okay.
uh, if you get any small subject means I told you how to define the CSS, how to get the CSS,
Yeah.
where to write CSS. If from .info file it's not getting, then you can define in HTML dot .tp
.tpa. Yeah.
dot .php file. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
No problem.
okay. So do this thing, and after that we will go further. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Actually, I have to leave at 9:30.
Okay, then we stop here
Oh,
our session. Okay.
alright. No problem.
Okay, Nazar. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, my friend. Bye.